Hello everyone, welcome to Kickstart. Now we will write a code to determine if a triangle is valid or not. So the condition to check this is that the sum of any two sides of that triangle should be greater than the third side. So let's write the code for it. So first we will declare the variables int a, b, c, the three sides of the triangle. Now we will ask a user to enter the values, enter the values of a, B, and C, and okay, obscene A, B और C. ओके, अब हम इफ़ कंडीशन यूज़ करेंगे जो मैं कंडीशन स्टार्टिंग में बताई थी उसको लगाने के लिए. सो इफ़ स्टेटमेंट इफ़ ए plus b sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. Now we will do the same for other two random sides. So a plus b should be greater than c, then and an operator, b plus c should be greater than a. Now one more time we will use and an operator, c plus a should be greater than b. Okay, if this condition is true, then we will print c out triangle valid. Triangle is valid. Okay, else we will print triangle invalid. Triangle is invalid. Now let's check the code. So run and values ABC. Let's say 5, 6, and 7. Okay, the triangle is valid. Thank you.